If you're in the fabricated metal industry, do you need to optimize quotation turnaround times and boost quality and speed of delivery?
Do you need to reduce waste, optimize capacity, and improve throughput to compete effectively in the metal fabrication industry? You need an ERP solution designed, implemented, and supported by a company that understands your business as well as you do. One that has the specialist skills to help you deliver unfailing consistency throughout your manufacturing processes. You need an ERP solution from Syspro. Because of our 40 years experience specializing in the manufacturing environment, we can provide you with a fully integrated solution to help you plan, execute, control, streamline, and expand production, ensuring you get maximum value throughout your supply chain.
Syspro will help you improve turnaround times,
Reduce loss with faster delivery and lower production costs through our smart manufacturing operations management solutions. For improved customer service and profitability management, Syspro provides comprehensive planning and management tools across your complete engineer-to-order, make-to-order, or mixed-mode environments, ensuring your job shop realizes its optimal potential. Syspro, the best ERP solution for the fabricated metal industry, any way you cut it.